How long was I asleep for? Oh, hey, it worked. I manifested money while sleeping using the law of attraction. But if you think manifesting money is the best thing that you can manifest, well, you are wrong, because downstairs I got something not only big, but really, really powerful, and the ladies love it. I love whipping it out in public. It just, that's how you get them. Let me show you my big lizard. Let me just whip it out. Yep, read 'em in wheat. Charizard card base 2. Oh yeah. Oh, you didn't think I had 2? Yeah, How do you like my lizard? Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Valentine, and I help people just like you manifest whatever it is that their heart desires. I have to let you know that I do not sleep with money. I don't. I'm not that weird. At least I don't do it every day. Okay? I don't do it every day. But no, really, and that Charizard card was real, by the way. That is the benefit of having some disposable income as an adult. You can fulfill your childhood dream. Oh, didn't mean to throw my Charizard. But yes, and I nearly gagged while doing that skit because some of the money touched my mouth and I wanted to freaking vomit. And stick to the end for a blooper, and I may or may not have made it rain on my cat and dog. We'll see. I usually don't carry that amount of cash, so I had a little bit of fun with it. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you exactly how to manifest what you want while sleeping, and it's incredibly easy, and yes, you can do it. While sleeping is an amazing time to manifest. Everyone that is anyone in the law of attraction manifests while they're sleeping. It is like investing in the stock market, or, it's actually a quicker return than that. So it's like autopilot, right? So you just go to sleep with your desire in your head, and you will manifest it even quicker, because while we're sleeping, we hit a waveform, or I think we say waveform, of theta. And theta, I forgot the oscillations, I believe that's how you say oscillations, but it's known for allowing, you can get to that form, that state of mind, let's say state of mind, while meditating. That's right, and the way you know you hit theta while meditating is you'll sometimes see a flash of white, or you'll see green, purple, you'll see flashes of light. That's a gland called your pineal, which they call the awakening gland. A lot of people pronounce it differently, but I say pineal gland. So that is when you know, hey, I've hit theta. So you can do this while meditating if you get good enough at it, and it's certainly possible. But while you're sleeping, you're in this theta already. And while in theta, your subconscious mind is listening. It's like a hungry hippo. Wow, I'm showing my age. A hungry hippo just like grabbing those balls. And I love grabbing balls. I mean, that's my favorite thing to do. And when you're grabbing balls in life, you're just living life. That's what I always say. Grabbing balls in life, you're living life. So today I'm gonna show you 3 things that you can do to manifest like a pro using the law of attraction while sleeping. Let's go. All right, number 1 is you want to keep a journal, and remember, stick to the end for a bonus too. Now, they get stronger as we go on, but let's start with the journal. You want to write down 5 to 10 things that you are grateful for. This is an amazing way to help clear the mind and get you on a positive track before you sleep. You do not want to go to sleep angry. Even people who don't use the law of attraction, people who hate the law of attraction, and people who don't believe in the law of attraction, we all know that going to bed angry is not a good idea. You wake up on the wrong side of the bed. You just do. Don't go to bed angry. How do we fix that? We write down 5 to 10 things that we are truly grateful for, and we write it down with passion. I'm not saying like cram your pencil through the paper, but feel good. What are things that you're really grateful for? And guys, I'm telling you, just by doing that alone, you're gonna start manifesting amazing things in your life, much better things in your life, just by showing the universe gratitude, because it's going to rain down more gratitude. The next thing I want you to do is what I like to call rewind. Now, rewind is a way to clear the mind. Now, a lot of people on videos who are talking about how to manifest while sleeping say, oh, you gotta clear your mind before you ask for anything. Well, okay, great, how do I do that? How do I clear my mind, Kai? It's easy. What you wanna do is, and it's kind of a mental exercise, you get better at it with time. It was hard for me when I first began, because I'm the kind of guy who doesn't remember what I had for breakfast almost, but I'm working on it. But what you do is you go through your day in reverse. So before bed, you read, or you did your journal. Before that, you read. You maybe watched some TV. You ate dinner. You cooked dinner. Before that, you walked the dog. You went to work. You worked on a book, and you woke up this morning. doing that simple rewind is kind of like how gymnasts, whenever they twirl, you can actually, and I actually learned this in Bujinkan Ninjutsu, because I did a lot of martial arts growing up. And when you spin, if you reverse that, so you spin this way and you get dizzy, if you go like this, you go the opposite way, you can actually unwind your mind. Now, I don't know if that's proven, but my ninjutsu master said it was, so yeah, it's true. But with the mind though, when we rewind like that, it allows us to just let everything go, right? It just, all right, I went through the day, it's done. I'm telling you, it's weird. It really works. So rewind through the day and you are going to feel much clearer, kind of like you're laying on a cloud after the rewind. If it doesn't work the first time, try it again. You might fall asleep by then. I often do, which is fine because we did our positivity journal, our gratitude journal. So we're already gonna be manifesting great things on autopilot. But do the rewind. I guarantee you, your mind will be refreshed by the end of it and calm and clear, which allows us to go into the third thing. And there are many things that you can do in this state. You're getting ready for bed. Everybody talks about this. All the greats, Neville Goddard, my personal favorite, Dr. Joseph Murphy, Joe Dispenza, John Assaraf, Dr. Bruce Lipton, Abraham Hicks, they all talk about this. There's so many things that you can do in order to manifest while sleeping, and that's all in step 3. My favorite is to act as if. I go to sleep in my dream life, okay? I go to bed in my dream life. I know I have that car out there that I want. I'm already sleeping next to my soulmate, so check. I used to do that all the time, but I actually have that now. And I'm living in my dream home, which I am currently right now. I live in a nice apartment in Austin, Texas, which is one of the nicer ones in Austin. Very grateful for that. So I'm slowly checking off the things on my list, and you know, oh my God, what am I? 27. So wow, already I've done so many amazing things just by doing these techniques before I go to bed. And what you can do is act as if, you know, what money is in your bank account, right? So when we go to bed, and have some fun with it. Allow yourself to daydream before you dream. Really step into that world. You need to step into that reality. And once we do that, you want to fall asleep in that state, okay? You want to fall asleep in that state, and then wow, you hit theta, and your subconscious mind is that hungry hippo. It's grabbing life by the balls. It's grabbing your dream by the balls, and you're manifesting. You are on a train track. You're on a train that's just speeding down Law of Attraction Avenue, or I don't know train talk. Anyway, you're speeding down on autopilot for 6 to 8 hours, however much you sleep. It may not be that much, but for that amount of time, your subconscious mind is eating your thoughts before you went to bed, okay? And you're in a state of theta most of the time, okay? You may, stir, you may wake up. Another thing that you can do is ask, what's the title of my next book? That's a very popular story that Jack Canfield talks about. He didn't know what to call his Chicken Soup for the Soul series. He really didn't know. So he asked before he went to sleep. Voila, he woke up with the answer. The next thing that you can do, actually Napoleon Hill didn't have a book title for his book, Think and Grow Rich. Fun fact, it was almost called Think with Your Noodle and Get the Doodle. I'm not kidding, that's a true story. It was almost Think with Your Noodle and Get the Doodle. But by asking before he went to sleep, he was able to wake up with the answer. The publisher loved it, and Think and Grow Rich was born. Guys, let's get to the bonus. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button. Join the Valentine family. I love you all. Go watch the rest of my videos. You will become so good at the Law of Attraction. And I think they're kind of fun too. So check them out. So please hit that like button and share with a friend or family member. That really helps me out, guys. If you hit that like button, I will grab your balls. No, I won't. The bonus is when you awake. It's really simple. You just, even if you're not feeling that great, you're like, didn't work. Do your journal again. 5 to 10 things you're grateful for. Sometimes you can just lay there and think about it. That's enough too. I like to write it down. I think that's important. Something about the mind to hand thing, when you write something down, it's more important. So when you wake up in the morning, do 5 to 10 things that you're grateful for, and you start the day off even better. So we are just timesing by 4, 5, 10 million. When we use these steps, we're covering all of our bases. Half of our life we sleep through, right? Do this. Manifest during that time. Why not? Besides, you'll start waking up with more energy, you'll start feeling better, And that's it, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this. Remember to subscribe and join the Valentine family. Hit that like button. Guys, thank you so much. We're over 800 subscribers now, and we're really close to 1,000 where I can start doing community posts, which I'm excited for. Check out these bloopers. See you guys later.
There's a river that runs both ways, and the